So basically, the log rule for integration is the inverse of differentiation. The purpose is to make 1 over a function times its derivative, or we can also see it as the derivative over the function under the derivative, which is the natural log of u. A simple example could be when you say 2x over x squared dx. 2x would be the numerator and x squared would be the denominator. This is that x squared is a function, so we should call it u, and 2x would be the antiderivative of the u. Therefore, if we would like to find the derivative of this, we would get ln x squared. So basically, I did this problem, I already solved it, and I'm going to explain the step-by-step process that I took or that I followed in order to solve the problem. I'm also going to explain when I applied the log rule for integration and why I applied it. And so the problem is x cubed over 3 minus x, x squared over 3 minus x cubed dx. So in this case, 3 minus x cubed would be inside the parentheses, and that means that 3 minus x cubed would be my u here. Then now that I have the u, I need to find the u, and when you take the u, the derivative of 3 is 0, and the derivative of negative x cubed is negative 3x squared dx, as you can see there. Then you have to get rid of that by dividing the negative 3 on both sides, as seen here. You have to divide negative 3 here and du divided by negative 3. And then you would get negative 1/3 du, and that would equal to x squared dx. Then the integral negative 1/3 du and 3x cubed becomes u. And here is when you can see the log rule when it is applied. Then the negative then the negative 1/3 can be pulled out of the log rule for integration, as seen in here, and that will make the integral of 1 over u equal to negative 1/3 and the natural log of the absolute value of the u plus c, represented the constant that we know. Then we need to basically substitute back the x to get the absolute value in here of u, and the absolute value of u is 3 minus x cubed plus c, and that will basically give me my answer. So at the end, you need to have the absolute value and the u in the u in the absolute value plus the c, as that is the formula that applies for log rule for integration. Thank you, and I hope you learned.